Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to find the area of a triangle. We have a right-angled triangle, and for us to find the area of right-angled triangle, we need the base and the height. For this given triangle, we have the base and we have the hypotenuse, but we don't have the height. So first we are going to find the height by using Pythagoras theory, then we are going to find the area. Let us name our triangle as triangle A, B, C. Let us indicate distance A, B as the height. From Pythagoras theory, it is stated that for right-angled triangle, the sum of the square of the short side is equal to square of the long side. A square plus B square, this is equal to C square. For our given triangle, A is equal to H, we are going to look for. B is equal to 1.5 centimeter, and C is equal to 2.5 centimeter. We are going to substitute this into Pythagoras theory. That is, A is equal to H. Now H square plus B is equal to 1.5 square. This is equal to C, that is 2.5 square. H square plus, let's change this into improper. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, plus 1, that is going to be 3/2 square. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. 5/2, all this square. H square plus 9/4, this is equal to 25/4. Let us bring 9/4 to the right hand side. That is H square is equal to 25/4, take away 9/4. H square is equal to 16/4. I'm going to take square root both sides. That is H is equal to 4/2. This is centimeter. We got our H equal to 4/2. We can go forward and find the area of our triangle. Our area is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Our area is equal to a half multiplied by base is 1.5 multiplied by height, which we get 4/2. This is equal to a half multiplied by 3/2 multiplied by 4/2. We can simplify here by 2, 1 by 2, it is 2. By 2, 1 by 2, it is 1. We are going to get our answer equal to 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. We got 3/2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. We got 2. Our area is equal to 3/2, or 1.5 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question. We were asked to find the area of a triangle, and they gave us the base. They didn't give us the height. We use Pythagoras theory to find the height, and then we find the area. For more video on triangle, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.